In this life, we have three currencies. Today we're going to talk about those. The three life currencies are, hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Kiya Davelaar and I have a goal of helping you reach your max potential. If you want to help me reach that goal, hit the subscribe button below and make sure to like this video. Let's get into it. For currency number one, we have money. Money is what we use to exchange for other goods. It is a tangible currency that can be saved, invested, or used to make more wealth. The second currency that we have is energy. Energy is the currency of our physical and mental capabilities. Energy is what allows all of us to work, think, and create. It is also a currency that we have a very minuscule amount of, so it is very important to use your energy wisely. The final of the three currencies is time. Time is the currencies of our lives. It's something that we can never get back. No matter what we do, we will never get our time back. It is the most precious resource that we all have, and that is why it is the most important currency. So now that we all know what the three currencies are, let's get into why they are important. Each of these three currencies play a role into having more of another currency. For example, having a lot of money will save you a tremendous amount of time. Money allows you to hire people to do tasks that you normally wouldn't like to do. You could hire a personal assistant or a housekeeper, whatever it may be. Hiring someone with the money that you have made will give you more time. And with more time, you can focus on the things that are more important to you. Another way that money can allow you to save time is that it allows you to purchase important services. Take DoorDash for an example. They will go to the store, buy all your groceries, and deliver it straight to your house, cutting out the hassle and the time that it takes for you to go to the store and buy your own groceries. The third way that money can get you more time is it allows you to be more flexible with your schedule. If you are financially free, you can work less or choose to take time off if you need it. This will allow you to relax or recharge rather than feeling rushed or stressed all of the time. Here are the reasons for why energy is important for making money. Number one, it will increase your productivity. When you have higher energy levels, it'll allow you to get more done in a shorter amount of time. This will allow you to be more efficient in whatever you may do and potentially increase your earnings. Number two, it'll allow you to have greater creativity and innovation. When you have higher energy levels, it'll allow you to come up with new ideas and more solutions that'll put you far above the crowd. And number three, energy will help you make better decisions. When you have high energy, you're going to be thinking way more clearly than someone who doesn't. Your judgment will be better, which can lead to you making smarter financial decisions. Finally, we have the most important currency, which is time. Time is the only currency that we will never be able to get back, no matter what. Once it's gone forever. Here are the three reasons that make time the most important. Number one, time is irreplaceable. Unlike money or energy that can be replenished or replaced, time is non-renewable. I promise you there's no time machine that'll take us back in time and get you your time back. Once it's gone, it's gone. Number two, time is the foundation of all other currencies. Money and energy are both dependent on time. We need time to earn money and build our wealth. Time allows us to rest and recharge our energy levels. Without time, we wouldn't be able to acquire any of these other currencies. And finally, at number three, time allows us to pursue our passions and goals. Time allows us to learn, grow, or chase our passions in this life. It allows you to make a positive impact on this world. All of these currencies matter, but they matter at different times in your life, which will bring us to part two of this video, the three life stages. To watch that video, you can click here, here. I really don't know. Have a good one, guys.